Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Natalie.
And I'm Lawrence.
And clearly he is not Lawrence. This is Casey Neistat. No, I'm joking. This is our nephew Oakley. This is Steph's eldest.
Hello.
And he is joining us in Florida for a week. First time in Florida?
It is the first time in Florida, yeah.
Yeah.
It's warm, it's nice, and we're going to go see some alligators.
So we're going to bring you along.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
So Oakley has a very important thing that he wants to find out on this fact-finding mission.
I know, we need to find out
What are we finding out?
whether gators walk along the bottom of the river or swim.
Let's go ask someone.
He's funny. He's a good little,
Alright, so we are in Gator Land. It's Gator Land, not Gator World, in south of Orlando.
Yeah, South Orlando.
And this is the second time I've been here. I was surprised the first time I came with a friend from England at how much I actually enjoyed this. And Oakley really wanted to hold a gator.
I did want
so
to
I
hold a
thought,
gator.
I know where we can go. But there are so many other things at Gatorland, and well, very surprisingly, capybara. We're in a capybara. They're an additional $10. You can also zip line, like these nutcases, over the gators. There is a train that goes around. There are snakes.
Yeah.
There are birds. There are
Goats.
goats, which we're just about to go and see. What else is there? And some parrots.
Yeah.
And
Parakeets.
yeah. So we'll show you all the other cool
Yeah.
things to do here, but I just wanted to let you know it is $17 to get in if you're a Florida resident, $33 if you are not. But still,
It's hella fun.
totally worth it. So let's go look at some more stuff.
Let's do it.
So Oakley, do you know the difference between an alligator and a crocodile?
All in the face, and depending on what water they're based in. So I think more salt water is crocodiles, and then spring water is alligators.
And an alligator will see you later. Crocodile in a while. Oh, I'm such a dad joke. So Oakley, what did you think of Gatorland?
Brilliant. Loved every second.
11 out of 10?
9 out of 10. There's always room to improve.
Well, actually, I would agree with you there because there's one part of the show that I do not agree with.
Yes.
And what's it called? The Swamp of Legends?
It's
Legends of the Swamp?
Legends of the Swamp.
Legends
you
of
get
the
to
Swamp.
sit and get your photo taken on the back of an alligator.
Now, some of you might remember I have a reel on here. It's hit nearly 3 million views
Yes.
because people are very angry about people just sitting on gators. So,
Yes.
the other part of it is, and we didn't watch the show because it's rubbish, but that was nice. It was a very good show. It's kind of teaching kids that they can wrestle alligators and then sit on them.
Yeah.
Not wise in Florida.
No, they will do some damage. They will send you to see the baby Jesus very quickly.
Right, we found out the answer
Found it
to
out.
whether alligators walk or swim underwater.
So, if there's deep enough water, then they'll swim. But if they're going between rivers and lakes, they'll try to walk it. So anything shallow, they'll walk. They can just like drop their legs down and they'll just kind of walk along. But if it's deep enough, then they'll just swim. And
Okay,
that's same for both crocodiles and alligators.
good. Well, I'm glad we found out that important information.
Very important information.
We're going to wrap it up here because we're heading home. We are sweating.
Very
It is
much.
hot, even in November.
Yes.
In Florida.
Yeah, yeah.
Whew. So, what are all the things, Oakley? Smash that like button.
Smash the like button. Hit the notification because Natalie really likes it when you do that.
And if you want to support a couple of tits,
yeah.
Oakley and myself, we go ahead and hit that join button. Our adventuring of RV buying has been put on pause at the moment because of the hurricanes, but that will resume. We will be looking at diesel pushes, Class A's and a few other rigs, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, I won't be in them.
No, Oakley's only here for a few more days.
Yeah, this will be the only video
All right.
for now.
But we should hopefully see you next week.